Welcome to the second lecture of HTML. So in this, we'll be actually going to develop our first web page with the HTML. So HTML is completely based on tags. So remember that HTML is not exactly a programming language and it's going to be simple and fun. So how shall we start this HTML indexing? For this, we'll be opening a tag and you can see that a list of options has been given over here. In this, we'll be choosing the first one, which is doctype HTML. So what exactly is this doctype HTML? The HTML is of different paths, we can say as different versions, which is of 1, 2, 3 and so on. So this particular doctype HTML is of the fifth version of HTML and has n number of divisions and more features compared to the before one. So it's not mandatory that you need to mention the doctype HTML always, but it would be preferable when you are using some extensions which are other than HTML previous versions. I hope you got it. And now let's begin it. Once you have done with the doctype HTML, open another tag called as HTML. This is the exact open where you'll be writing the complete code within the tags. So here you can see that two tags have been created, the HTML opening tag and the HTML closing tag. The difference between open and closing tag is this slash or division, whatever tag it is. With this symbol, it is considered as closing tag and this is an opening tag. So inside this, the other division tags like paragraph, head, image and all the other tags are going to come, which we'll be discussing soon. So inside the HTML, let's create a head file. The head also has the opening tag and closing tag. So inside the head tag, we'll give the title of the page. So I'll tell you what exactly the title is. So for that, we will be using the same tags and this time it's named as title, title. And inside the title, let's give it a name as first page. Yeah. So to see the output of this, save it first. It says Ctrl S and it is saved. And now to see how this actually works, come back to your folder and you can see web browser Chrome, like Chrome extension is been added over here, and when you open this, there you go. At this top corner you can see something called as first page. So this is what actually the title is. So as we created the page, but the whole page is completely blank, so let's add some text into it. Now let's come back to the Visual Studio Code, and after the title, let's give a tag called as h and 1. So what exactly is this h1? The h is nothing but the heading of any particular a word or any image in such a way. So let's write welcome. It's good. After this, let's use the tag h2. We'll write it as a very good day. And now let's use the tag h3 and we'll give a tag like hello, which is given by the editor, and we'll close this. Yeah. Now let's see what exactly these h tags would be doing. We'll come back to the Chrome be sure that every time when you make the changes to reload. Here you can see the welcome, the h1 tag, which is actually had got with a big size of view, the h2 comparatively low and h3 comparatively low with 2. So this is what exactly the h tags are used, the main heading, the subdivision headings, and so on. The tags are actually till h1 to h6 and can also be extended so on. So after the head tag, let's remove all the other and we'll give another tag called as body. So this body tag actually consists all the requirements or the information that we want to provide into the site. So here we use a tag called P, which is known as paragraph, and then you can give any paragraph into the site, like for example and I'm saving it. And when you check this again, there you go. Welcome, this is the first page that I'm creating using HTML. Hola, you have created your first web page. So this is how the tags and the other are used. Now, the reason why which we are using the Visual Studio Code is, through now you have observed that as you write using the tags, it gives the other ends of the tag, and also this gaps which are used actually as a child classes are most preferable when you write excess of code. And so Visual Studio Code is very friendly for the users and gives a very professional look. So this is for the first session. Let's meet you in the next.